I started without you guys and already made some shish kebab with my ground lamb, beef mixture, little meatballs between my veggies. I have eggplants, red onions, tomato, pepper, zucchini, whatever the fuck you like to put on, and just put them on the stick. It will stick. Stick on the stick, it will stick. Just like that. See that? And it's gonna be super delicious. You can do it on the grill, charcoal if you have it, even better. And I put some peppers, hot pepper, red pepper, and whatever sticks on the stick, you can stick it on. And I put a bunch of vegetables like that. And when you put the meat between, meat juice is gonna make your veggies taste super yummy. And mix your meat, ground lamb and beef sirloin together, salt and pepper, grated onion, and put a little bit baking soda with 1 teaspoon, just like that. Okay, for our veggie friends, we do with just veggie, and then put maybe some garlic in the between flavor. You don't have to eat them. I put them with the skin on. Here's our zucchini friends. Make sure you don't stab yourself. It's very easy to make these recipe, guys. Look. La la la. Food has to be fun. You like eating them, so make sure you enjoy making them. And red peppers, lots of vitamin C, vitamin D, guys. Here's another one. And then we're gonna maybe put some olive oil on top, so they're gonna be nice and moist. Here's our meat. And we're gonna keep filling this until we're full with our veggies. If you have any meat left, I'm gonna make my meatloaf, Italian meatloaf, and I'm little meatballs on the side. I put a cheese, cheddar cheese, and bacon, and put them on a little pasta, which we don't even eat pasta, but I know you guys some eat. We eat keto. We make keto food, but still yum, yum, yum. Look, yellow, red like my hair, always red. Red is attracting me. Okay, look how cool. This is really super cool. Okay guys, making a kebab, lamb, ground lamb, and turning into lamb kebab on the stick. Delicious. Okay guys, we're spicing up. We like them hot. Some drizzle olive oil. And I am like olive oil bay. Olive oil bay. Bay. Okay, this baby is going to the air fryer. Probably gonna be 45 minutes. And then we'll show you the finish when it's done. I can't wait. Look how delicious. Okay guys, it's going in. Air fryer on the bottom. Bake, not air fried. Baking in the air fryer for 45 minutes at temperature 375. Okay? Wish me luck. This looks too delicious. Check it out. Okay, This is like a half an hour. We probably can go another 20 minutes. So our vegetables are roasted. But it looks good, guys. I'm probably gonna put it on top. Okay, this way. Okay, and we're doing 400 now, 20 minutes. Hey, guess what we have here? Our shish kebab on the stick with the vegetables, Mediterranean vegetables, eggplant, zucchini, tomato, red onion, peppers. Then we have our ground lamb mixed and put it on the stick. Let me try one. Mmm. Peppers. Hot. Mmm. And then we got some lamb meatballs. Oh my God, too hot. I gotta put on the stick. Enjoy it.